Hey guys, I am Dr. Gamer 397 and welcome to day 42 of playing fetch with the dog. Today I've got another tennis ball. It's clearly a different tennis ball because again, it's a different color. So, and I've got the dog right there, so let's get started. You ready, puppy? Bring the ball. Bring the ball. You have the ball? Huh? You have the ball? Thank you. Caitlin. The ball. Bring the ball. Do you not want to give up the ball now? Because you got it? Do you not want me to throw it again for you? Oh, well. Puppy. Get the ball. Uninterested. Really? And yes, that's it from us. Right, puppy? Active Gamer and Caitlin, signing off.